How to set up Claude AI agent. All right, guys. So all you need to do is open up Claude AI, sign into your account, and just give it a prompt, basically. So it doesn't automatically come with an AI agent, so you're going to have to build yours. And as you can see here, I actually did mine. Here's how you can easily build yours. All you need to do is head over to New Chat. At the plus here, click on plus for New Chat. All right, so on the New Chat, all you need to do is ask the Claude AI to simply build you an AI agent. You can do this by generating a prompt. You could even request for a prompt for a proper AI agent model from Claude. Well, let's just go ahead and ask it to build me a simple chat bot or a calculator bot or whatever kind of bot you're looking for. Claude can make it given the right specifics. And this is what I went for. So let's go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to go ahead and start building the bot. We've given it a specific, it's going to ask some other questions. And boom, we have our bot created. So guys, that's how you can easily go about it. Just give it a simple prompt and you could clear out the other questions you have for the bot. But basically it works. So we could just simply give it questions like this and it would provide a proper response. All right, and yeah, it works.